Hey couples. Today, I'm sharing a simple yet powerful conflict resolution technique called active listening. It's a great way to handle disagreements effectively. Set the stage. Find a quiet place where you both feel comfortable and agree to focus solely on the conversation without interruptions. Listen with intention. As your partner speaks, pay close attention. Don't interrupt or prepare your response. Just listen, reflect back. Once they're done, paraphrase what they said to ensure understanding. Use phrases like, "What I hear you saying is..." Respond with empathy. Share your feelings and thoughts respectfully, focusing on finding a solution together rather than assigning blame.
Active listening can transform your disagreements into opportunities for deeper connection. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below.